everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rida Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Biggest Topic YouTube channel. So today's video is all about eyeliner, and I am so obsessed with eyeliner. My look is never complete unless I have eyeliner on. And for that, I have my new favorite. I have previously made a video on the Quick Flick Australia, and yeah, you guessed it right, आज की video भी Quick Flick Australia के बारे में है, in which I'm going to create some looks, I'm going to show you some new colors, and it's going to be really nice and bubbly. So let's get right into it. So I always wanted to have a perfect winged eyeliner, but जब भी मैं कोशिश करती थी हमेशा मुझे देर ज़रूर हो जाती थी हर जगह पे. But thanks to the young and talented Smit for sending us this God-sent product, which is super easy to use and it's fuss-free. And do you know it also won the Best Eye Product Award in 2019 in Dubai. ये even Huda Katan का favorite product है. Before her favorite was Kate 1D eyeliner, and now she loves the Quick Flick Australia. So just imagine how cool this product is.
Okay guys, so I just got one of the coolest things ever. So they sent over the sweetest box. This is a painting of our Desert Dust box. This is so sweet. I think it's hand painted. It's so sweet. There's like little crystals here. And then this is the packaging. It's a new brand. It's called the Quick Flick, and it says the Perfect Wings. It's really cute. Basically, when you take it, it has two liners inside. It looks like this. So basically you have this side here, and you kind of just go here and you apply it, and it's a stamp. So no need to apply a liner on it. It does have another side that kind of like you can go in and fix everything. There's different lengths. There is the 8mm, there's the 10mm, oops, and there's my favorite because I like a long liner, the 12mm. So we're gonna try this out. We're gonna put this on right here. Not drying down matte. It's definitely not matte, but it's so black and it's so intense. So I think the liner quality is actually really good as well. This is really great. I love how simple this is. I feel like this is like one of the easiest liners I've ever done. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of obsessed with this right now.
So why I choose the Quick Flick Australia? Because one, it's vegan and cruelty free, which means it's not been tested on animals. 2, it's non-toxic. 3, it's water resistance. And 4, it's smudge free. So why I love this product? What's not there to love? So the first product I'm going to review is their Intense Black Eyeliner. It has 2 portable eyeliner pens. You can see they're quite big, so the quantity is a lot. One eyeliner has 7 ml, which means both of them are 14 ml. So जिनको भी लग रहा है कि ये बहुत expensive product है, just imagine how long these 2 pens are going to last you. Secondly, they have 2 eyeliner stamps. One is for the right eye and one is for the left eye to create the perfect symmetry. And they have 3 sizes, which I'm going to show you right now on the back of my hand. So here are the 3 stamp sizes. This one is the smallest. This is 8 mm. Then we have 10 mm, and the largest one is 12 mm. So now I'm going to try it on my eyes and show you how it looks. So with the black one, I'm going to create a thick classic eyeliner, and for this I'm taking the 12 mm because I want to go with a bolder look. So since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to tell you a small trick जो आप hooded eyes के साथ कर सकते हैं, because इसमें struggle होती है to have the perfect wing. So you're going to keep your eyes open, and then you're going to place the stamp. So you see how quick and easy that was, and it's such a thick eyeliner. Usually अगर मैं कोई और eyeliner use करती, I would have definitely messed it up. Now I'm going to do the other eye with the second eyeliner pen. This is for the right eye, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So this is how the Intense Black Eyeliner looks, and it's absolutely fuss-free, it's smudge-free. Like you guys can see, I can rub my eyes and it's not going to transfer anywhere. Isn't this amazing? And it's extremely pigmented, which is a shocker because marker eyeliners कभी भी इतने pigmented नहीं होते, and it works so well with eyeshadows. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I have plenty of eyeshadow on, and I absolutely love this. So now I want to change my eyeliner, and for that I need to take off this one. But how do I take off this stubborn eyeliner? For that I'm going to use their makeup eraser pen. It's a very nice handy portable pen. It's fuss free, it has a precision tip, and it can take off waterproof makeup. So I'm gonna get right into it and show you guys how to take off this stubborn eyeliner with this amazing product. As you guys can see, it has removed my eyeliner completely. Like, I don't even have eyeliner stuck in my eyelashes. This product is really amazing, and it didn't even, you know, irritate me. ये काफ़ी strong formula है, but it did not irritate my eyes. It actually has a very soothing effect because it's made up of plants extract. So this product is a must-have, and it's not only for the remover of the eyeliner. You can also use it overall as a makeup fixer. You can fix any corrections that you need on your lipstick and even define your brows. So this is quite a multifunctional product from the Quick Flick. So it's not only available in black color, it actually has 4 interesting colors. The first one is the Cherry Bomb. This is a very beautiful red color. And then there is Hot Fudge. This is a brown color. मैंने अपनी last video में भी आपको इसकी look दिखाई थी, and it's super pigmented brown eyeliner that I can find in the market. Then there is a very beautiful blue velvet eyeliner, and they have a new edition which is the Purple Rain eyeliner. I'm going to show you their swatches behind my hand. So this is their blue velvet eyeliner. See, this is such a pretty blue color. And this is their brown Hot Fudge eyeliner. Do you guys see that? Amazing, isn't it? And now I'm going to try out the one I'm really excited about. This is their Purple Rain eyeliner. Let's see how this one looks. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's such a nice, pretty lavender color. I love all 3 eyeliners, and also their intense black one. I just can't pick which one is my favorite. So as you guys can see, these colors are really pretty and they're transfer free. ये बिल्कुल भी एक दूसरे के साथ smudge नहीं हो रहे, and they're waterproof. You can see they're really amazing. ये runny भी नहीं थे, and they're not even cracking up, which is a truly amazing thing about Quick Flick. So along with the eyeliners, they have really amazing eyelashes as well. And what's so special about their eyelash is that they're handmade. तो ये बहुत अच्छी तरह mimic करती हैं natural eyelash को, and also the wand is so petite and slim, it's almost invisible on your eyes. It can actually give a very natural eye look apart from the volume. And talking about the volume, it has 3 levels of volume. पहला वाला petite है. Petite is the lightest one, and then they have modest. Modest is not too heavy and not too light, and then they have grand, which is for dramatic, fuller eye look, and then they also have numbering in it. Petite 1, 2, 3, modest 1, 2, 3, and grand 1, 2, 3. It determines the volume. So these eyelashes can be used multiple times. If you wash it carefully, you can use these eyelashes up to 30 plus time. And washing का भी तरीका मैं आपको बताऊंगी with their micellar water. It's super easy and it's very effective. And these eyelashes are very lightweight. When I use them, I don't even feel like I have anything on my eyes. That's why I'm so comfortable with wearing their eyelash, although I'm not an eyelash wearer normally. So I have one more product from the Quick Flick, which is a replacement of a lash glue, and that is the adhesive black quick lash eyeliner. ये just eyeliner की तरीके से होता है. You apply it like an eyeliner, and then you stick your eyelashes on top of it, and they do not move for the entire day. This product is so skin friendly. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals. ये latex free है. It does not contain any magnet, and its stay is so amazing that your eyelash literally does not move out of place the entire day. It can hold up any styles of eyelashes, and it's also windproof and waterproof. How amazing is that? I'm going to show you behind my hand how does it look and how it holds the eyelash in place. I hope you can see. It's very precise. And it's not even like falling out. It's like stuck to my hand. So the next product is their Flick Off Micellar Water. ये एक makeup remover है, and the ingredients are very skin friendly. It has plant extracts and it's very soothing to the skin. It doesn't burn you up, और ये बहुत stubborn makeup को भी easily remove कर देता है. आप अगर इनके cotton pads के साथ इस remover को इस्तेमाल करें, it's easily going to take off your entire makeup, and it's also really good for cleaning your eyelashes. So I'm going to show you how to clean your eyelashes with the micellar water. I'm going to tell you how it's done. So along with that, there is another really nice product which I love because it's so eco-friendly, and this is a perfect replacement of wipes, and I'll tell you how. Because from this box, a bag comes out. इस bag के अंदर 100% cotton makeup removing pads हैं. So it has two sides. This one you can see is a smoother size. It's perfect for your eye area. And then when you flip it over, this is the more textured size, which is perfect for your facial skin. And with the combination of their micellar water, these two make the perfect pair. So now I'm going to tell you how to clean your eyelashes. मेरी eyelashes already cleaned हैं, so I'm just going to show you. So you take two pads and you soak it in the micellar water, and you put your eyelashes in the middle and let it soak for 15 minutes. I think वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, but just to be safe. And once you take it off, you can gently rub the eyelashes because they're so already very gentle, तो ये आपके eyelashes को damage नहीं करेगा. And then you'll have the pair of eyelashes as good as new. And to wash this makeup removing pads, there is an even easier way. All you have to do is to dip your dirty bag in the washing machine, and after some swirls, you take it out and your pads are as good as new. So now let's talk about the prices. As you can see कि ये कितनी ही ज़बरदस्त और amazing और catchy products हैं, so you must be curious if it's expensive. Well, just to break it to you that Vegas.pk is the exclusive distributor of the Quick Flick Australia. So you can only get the original Quick Flick products in Pakistan from Vegas.pk, and they're selling the products in the same price as you can get it in USA and Australia. तो आपको ये परवानी होगी कि यहाँ पे आप खरीदेंगे तो you will have to pay extra taxes because the GST, my friend, is included in the prices. So as you can see, the Quick Flick Australia is the perfect eye and skincare package. And if you want a perfect eyeliner always and never get late, get your perfect flicks with the Quick Flick and always be on time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care and stay beautiful.